Must migration birds. Migration is a natural phenomenon in which certain species of birds travel long distances between their breeding grounds and wintering areas in search of food and suitable climate conditions. While not all bird species migrate, it is estimated that about 40% of bird species are migratory. Migration is an essential survival strategy for many bird species, as it allows them to access resources that may not be available in their breeding or wintering areas year-round. For example, many birds migrate to warmer areas in the winter to escape cold temperatures and find food sources that are not available in their breeding areas. The timing and distance of migration vary depending on the species of bird and their individual needs. Some birds travel only a few hundred miles, while others may fly thousands of miles across oceans and continents. Overall, migration is a fascinating and essential aspect of the natural world, and studying it can provide valuable insights into the behavior and ecology of birds. Types of migrate birds. There are many species of birds that migrate, but here are some examples of migratory birds. Arctic tern, Swainson's hawk, ruby-throated hummingbird, American goldfinch, barn swallow, common loon, snow goose, northern pintail, blackpoll warbler, peregrine falcon. These are just a few examples, and there are many more species of migratory birds found around the world. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.